Thomas the Tank Engine was grumbling at the sheds. Night after night, he would boast to the other engines. "I'm tired of pushing your damn coaches. I want to see the world." The other engines took no notice, but Thomas continues to grumble at the sheds. Then Edward had an idea. "Hey, Thomas, you can take my freight if you want to. I don't have anything to do." "Oh, really, Edward?" "Yeah. I'll do your shunting tomorrow." "Oh, thank you, Edward. That'll be a nice change." And so Thomas went happily to sleep. The next morning, both driver and fireman both agreed that Thomas would take his freight. And so Thomas sets off to go do some shunting. Soon, Thomas began to shunt some trucks to load up for his train. He shunned them all more and more, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Soon, Thomas got all the trucks sorted out. The guard blew his whistle, and Thomas blew his whistle, and he was ready to go. But the troublesome trucks refused to leave.
Oh! Wait, Thomas, wait!
But Thomas wouldn't wait. "Come along, come along, come along!"
All right, go fast! All right, go fast!
Soon, Thomas began to go faster and faster. Whee! He whistled as he rushed down the bend. "Hurry, hurry, hurry!" he called to the trucks. Thomas was feeling proud of himself. He was feeling prouder and prouder of himself. But the trucks grew crosser and crosser. And soon, Thomas approached Gordon's Hill. Steady now, steady. Soon, Thomas reached the top of the hill. "Okay, driver, we're slowing down."
"Coming right at you, boy."
No!
Then suddenly, the trucks push him down the hill.
Go on!
Hey, what are you doing? Before the driver could stop him, the trucks pushed him down the hill. Poor Thomas was too terrified to stop, so he didn't know what to do. "Stop pushing, stop pushing!" But the trucks took no notice.
Go on!
They giggled in this silly way.
"There's the station, boy."
"Oh dear, what should I do?" Just then, Thomas saw a sighting over there. He slammed on his brakes very hard. "I must stop!" Phew! Thank goodness I stopped. When he opened his eyes, he saw that he stopped right in front of the buffers. Wait, what? Then driving here was the Sir Top and Hat. "Thomas, what are you doing here, and why did you come here so fast?"
I brought Edward's cars for him, sir, but they were pushing me.
"You have a lot to learn about trucks, little Thomas. That's why I asked Edward to pull these trucks and not you. If you weren't prepared to do and learn things, I have to keep you in the shed."
But sir, no! I want to learn. I want to be a really useful engine.
"You'll learn just as well as Edward, Thomas. Then you'll be a really useful engine." "Yes, sir." And Thomas puffed away backwards. The Top and Hat was not just cross with Thomas. He was cross with Edward too, and he both told his engines to stay in the yard until Thomas will learn to pull trains the right way. "I'm sorry, Edward. This is all my fault." "That's all right, Thomas. I'm sorry that my plan didn't work. But who will be taking these coaches?" "Oh, Henry!" "Wait, Thomas, where are you going?" What's he gonna do? Edward stands silently, feeling whatever.